so it's back to the mission. Looking at my position, I matched up with rhythm. Now we after the vision. I crashed for a minute, I was looking at rain, but victory's only measured by what it took to attain. So it's 1 to the 2, 3 to the 4, back to the drum board. Guess I gotta want it more. Game is full of carnivores, focus on the art of war. I ain't even playing, I'm just making sure my heart is pure. Master the rhythms, now we capture the image. Fall a couple times, it means you actually living. So pass me the spliff and watch me even the score. It goes 1 to the 2, 3 to the 4.
It's like 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4. I've done it so many, now I'm back from mode. It's like the same mode that happened before. Won't happen again because I'm ready to roll. See, I blaze in the starlight, bathed in the limelight. Been across the globe and I ain't never looking back. So come on, so ride with me, come on.
Yo, make some noise, guys! This is Smoked Out Battles Arctic War. We're in Thunder Bay. Everyone's here. We got a battle going on. Battler to my left, introduce yourself.
Yo, what up? It's Mighty Big Bird. I'm high as fuck!
Battler to my right, introduce yourself.
It's Bones, baby. It's lunchtime, motherfucker.
We have some sponsors for this event. I'd like to thank Trix, Bedlam, Savage, Medman, and Ruthless Dabs. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll let you have a cornflip.
Oh, it's Tails.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the new coin, though.
Okay. First round on Bones. Let's go.
I eat rappers. Yeah, motherfucker. That's what I do. And my mama always said, boy, don't you fucking play with your food. So you about to get ate the fuck up. And this crowd came here to witness me chewing on this fucking enormous plate of food. So you should sit back, relax, and watch me do what I do. Now, this battle really isn't fair. Especially when I came here to battle, the fucking long-lost Care Bear. And yeah, I mean, fuck. And I came here to battle the long-lost Care Bear. And see, I don't really give a fuck. I came off the top of the dome. I'm about to leave it alone. This Bones, I'm carry the chrome. Bust 2 in your head, you're leaking the red, and I'll leave you to dead. Yeah,
You got this.
Fuck.
Talk about his stomach.
Fuck that. I'm gonna give you a few tips. He came in here wearing slippers and weighing 300 pounds. I don't give a fuck. I fucked up and I'm doing this in the first stupid round. But guess what? I'm coming correct in the last 3 and I don't really give a fuck. Can't you see? I'm gonna do it like this, B. Fuck it, time. I'm gonna go.
Time. First round on Bones. First round on Mighty Big Bird. Let's go.
I feel like I heard those bars before. Maybe the battle with Jay Royale? Ah, fuck it.
No.
If you think your little 8 Mile bars are gonna compare to me, I need you to understand this ain't no prophecy. You just fucking suck. You take L's for the love of it. You're a fucking punk. You smell like a city bus. Call him a mainline drunk. I'll kick those. I'll kick those ugly teeth and leave you tied up in the trunk. Don't even try to say you're better because you really be fake. I'm actually kind of hella surprised you even showed your face. I thought you were gonna be like Ozzy and probably make me wait. Hit me with some bullshit excuse like I couldn't find the place. But fuck all this shit, cause it's just for last, fam. And I see you turning red like you doing handstands, so I know I'm finding something with this lyrical CAT scan. Like I'm about to fucking trigger you. These are only facts. I know I'm not perfect, but dog, you're fucking whack. He got low views on the YouTube, got no hoes up in his life, can't land a day job, and he's probably living off his wife.
Doctor.
But he came for a battle. This is honestly true. I just came to lay fear, get some bitches and homebrew. And that's some Raz bars, so you better be ready. I'll throw my tomahawk like confetti, shoot my arrows aiming steady, grant your bitch ass one wish and make you puke up my spaghetti, bitch.
Round 2 on Bones. Fight back.
Now, I get to battle the Mighty Big Bird. You know, this guy who barely fits when he sits in a big rig, and it must be opposite day because they put you up against Bones, the real live walking human stick. But don't get me wrong, because tonight this big twig came to T-Bay to show out for the smoked out big wig, and I wish I could have built a big enough slingshot to shoot this mighty angry bird across the room at a real live donut eating pig, but I couldn't. So instead I gotta settle for putting you in my crosshairs and splitting your fucking wig. But on a more serious note on the side, I heard your girl's like an amusement park. The bitch just can't say no to guys except to you. And it's not because you take up 2 seats to ride. It's mainly because to find your pecker, she has to lift your belly up and to the side. So she barely gets touched. And that's the same, because she lives to get stamped like a legal document that needs to be notarized. Where is she right now? Probably in the back room with one of my guys about to get pulverized. He said if it happened, he'd snap me a pic real quick, just so I could show you that ass polarized. And if you feeling froggy to reek, I'll put you under that lily pad and make sure that you're slow to rise. So nah, I really don't fucking play, bitch. Switchblade and give your big ass a fucking facelift. So don't puff up, you ain't tough, just face this. To me and everybody else in this room, you still a pussy like a rapist. And to prove my fucking case, bitch, I'll slap you in your face till you tasteless. Time.
Thanks a lot, guys. Round 2 on Big Bird.
Everybody make some noise for his fishy breath. Come on. Hey. I'm not trying to spend a lot of time trying to diss this fool because really, let's be honest, no one knows this tool. Dude looks rugged as hell, like he probably smokes rocks. You give him enough for bus fare, he'll happily suck your cock. Wait. Bones will be like, it's lunchtime! Like he said in Guantanamo Bay, I'm Geronimo, I'm on the go, I'm blowing KK. He's a phony though, he's gotta go, I gotta get paid. I'ma body this fool, mail the bones to USA. Now, for those of you that didn't get that, this dude is from America, but this here, the North bitch, I ain't out here to play with you. I'll turn you to a treaty and feature so many fucking rights. We call his wife Trans Canada because she's always getting piped. Yo. Lucky for you, though, it was just the homies, bro. Your wife is so fucking ugly, I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole. Because what I go for is pretty pristine prime pussy. Your wife is a mean, ugly fiend with some onion-smelling nookie. Homeboy with the finger herd was all like, ah! She's got my arm, G! You saw those heavy beef curtains and you were like, ah, fuck it. I love RVs. So go ahead and call the police. Tell them I'm done with the lease. When I get finished with you, they're gonna say hate crime's the least, but that Big Bird's a beast. Is that just too fucking soon, or is that just the fucking truth? They're gonna say that the big brown killer came to collect, but come on and settle down, y'all pay your respects. And is that too much? Do you want to protest? This is the one fucking place white privilege is dead.
Last round on Bones, right back. Let's go.
My fellow rappers and peers, you need to lend me your ears, cause I smell a pussy and he's standing right here. Me mugging his shit, but when I look in his eyes, I see nothing but fear. I'ma take him back to grade school and smear this queer, cause he ain't nothing but the #1 pie-eating contestant of the year. And I dare you to swing on one of me or mine, and I shall bend you over my knee as if you was 9. You know, fuck your ass up at least one more time. Treat you like the punk pussy bitch that you are, cause you have no spine. Nah, fuck it. I'll go Negan, slice open your stomach just to show you you have no guts. I mean, my 2-year-old nephew walking around with way more nuts. And listen up, bro, Ham. If we was back in my homeland, you'd be found on road dead cause you just built Ford tough. So you can stop puffing up your chest and acting like you the hardest in your crew, as if that statement is true, you must roll with fairies, because my 3-year-old daughter sleeps on a pillow that is harder than you. But my 6-year-old has more heart, and she's smarter than you. My 8-year-old to start, man, she can drop way better bars than you. So someone please tell them I got issues. And if you talk about my girls, man, I'll slice you like a ginsu. Nah, fuck it, I'll rip you apart like a zombie eating tissue. Go to your funeral, pass around a box of tissues to take out anybody that's gonna fucking miss you. Nah, fuck it. Nah, fuck it. I'll give you some issues, throw you in Lake Michigan and make you fish food. And please, Mighty Big Bird, don't get your feathers all ruffled when I ask you, if I pay you $20, would you do the truffle shuffle? No? And if you do step up, well, I'm gonna treat you like the big-ass Build-A-Bear you are and just fucking stuff you. Nah, I'm gonna toss you around the room. Yeah, I'm about to fucking truck you. Cause from you, my opponent, the competition for the night. So from the bottom of my heart to the top of my lungs, I'm screaming, fuck you! Okay. Time, baby.
Make some noise, guys! Last round of the battle, Mighty Big Bird, let's go!
Hey, you keep talking shit about my addiction, but I get my snacks from your mama's kitchen. I come in the back door, that's nonfiction. Hey, all right. I hope everyone knows now that this is the Bird's Town. I'm the mighty big brown killer coming out of the grow house. Shout out to Smoked Out. Everything you think you know, you think you got is false. I hope your mother falls down the stairs leaving her body without a pulse. I hope you catch your woman cheating on you with an old man playing golf. I hope you're walking one day and catch your trailer hitched to the skull. Ooh! Ooh, that's some real shit! When I heard about this battle, I knew there were some bones to pick, so I unload the clip, reload the spliff. I don't need bullets to cook this bitch. I'm gonna get a big pot of water, set it on the stove to simmer. He keeps saying lunchtime, I'm boiling bones for dinner. And I'm hungrier than I've ever been. Like, what the fuck happened? You put the banjo down and think rapping was a career? This ain't Mumford & Sons, this has only begun. Fuck the grow house, throw this on the porn of the hub. Fucking big brown killer ravishes little white bitch. I think I kinda like it. Hey, yo, time, I'm getting tired.
We'll be right back with the judge's decision. Keith Enterby, make some noise for that battle. We went to the judges, and the judge's decision, Mighty Big Bird takes
I love you.